Hello class, I wanted to review annotated bibliographies with you. You'll notice that I have a Google Doc that is set up with our MLA format with the header, the heading, title, annotated bibliography, and I have two sources here that are using hanging indent. Well, for annotated bibliography, you will need to summarize each one of your sources. You may use this site, summary.com. It's spelled S-M-M-R-Y, not spelled out the way it's pronounced, summary.com. There is a link on our module. I'm going to show you how to use it. Here is the URL for the CUNY School of Medicine aims to impact healthcare disparities. Simply going to come up to the URL, copy it, paste it where it says, or paste a URL here. You notice that you can't just copy and paste in this box or upload a file. Click on Summarize, and there is the summary. So I'm going to highlight this summary and right-click, copy, go back here and put it under the CUNY School. Right-click, paste without formatting. You'll see it formatted it though with a hanging indent, so I will highlight the summary and then click on Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, and for hanging put None. And then I need to put the sentences together, so I'll simply move all of the sentences one following the other. To make one paragraph for the summary, and we need the space here. There we go. Okay, I am going to reduce the summary down. There are some sentences that I do not think that needs. I don't think we need one that was established in 2016. So you should still need to read it. And make sure that it's exactly the way you want it to read. Okay, let me show you now with the Hansen article. Cultural clues, I'm going to do the same thing. Come back to summary.com, click on New Summary. Open up the article for cultural clues. Again, copy and paste the URL, click on Summarize, and there is the summary for cultural clues. This one's really long. Again, you're going to read what you receive here, and you can definitely reduce what you have from the summary site. So again, right-click, paste without formatting. Again, it set it up as a hanging indent. We'll just highlight it all, format, align and indent, indentation options, none, left, I don't know if it was 0, let's see, apply, there we go. Definitely want to read this over to reduce it. I'm not sure if we need all of these sentences or paragraphs in here, or the sentences in the paragraph here. So just wanted to show you how to align it. Again, it does help, but you still do need to read over the summary. Maybe you think that everything that the summary provides that you do think is relevant and you want to keep it. Or maybe you can reduce some of the sentences like I did. But that's all you're going to do for your annotated bibliography for all your sources. Again, first thing I would do is put all of the sources in MLA format with a hanging indent. Then if you would like to use the summary.com site to create your summary, and then read over the summary and reduce where you can. So that's all you need to do for your annotated bibliography.